What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Like I promised, in this video, we're going to talk about more about how this opportunity is turning simple investments into very, very profitable opportunities on this meme coin and shitcoin season. The bull run has started. Bitcoin ETF was approved. And since then, we have seen a tremendous movement in the upside for all the crypto markets. So all crypto bulls are super happy, and when this happens, new projects come out. There's a lot of movement, there's a lot of development, there's a lot of new technologies and improvements and development that comes with this bull run. And what we're currently experiencing right now is a very, very high volume of this meme coins and shit coins taking over the Solana network, the Ethereum network, the Avalanche network. And in this video, I'm going to tell you more about how you can get introduced to this, where to look at these coins, how to look for these opportunities to invest, and a little bit more of how I'm looking for these opportunities on a daily basis and how I'm turning simple investments into very, very profitable opportunities to invest. All right, so let's get into it. All right, number one, as you can see on the screen, we have a website, and this is called DEXscreener.com. As you can see, this website is basically what it does. It reads the blockchain, multiple blockchains actually. As you can see, it reads the blockchain from Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Avalanche, Base, etc., etc. And it allows you to see with much more clarity and to play with filters what's happening in the markets and what new tokens are being launched. It's all about, this is a platform that mixes trading with sniping, or how to call out or call, early plays, because you can do you can be very creative with the filters and sort new projects that they come out by the second. You can sort by trending over the last 30 minutes. You can sort them by trending over the last hour. So we're going to see a little bit more on a few examples on this, and a little bit more of what settings I use to get this running. But again, this is just a quick overview of DexScreener. You can download the app on your device for iOS and Android, and you can start for free, and you can make an account. But basically what I like to do is, so far I'm having the most success, and there's a lot of volume in 3 networks: Solana, Ethereum, and Avalanche. But in this video, we're going to take a look at Solana. So let's go in Solana and click here on the left, Solana. And as you can see, we have a list of tokens that most likely these are new. Let's click on new pairs, and then let's click here on 1 hour, and then 5 minutes, last 5 minutes and 1 hour. So for example, let's click on this one, Kabosu Sol. So this token was actually launched 16 minutes ago. So 16 minutes ago, this token didn't exist. And as you can see, the graph, which we have right here, this is a 15-minute time frame. It's all bullish. It's all green because this project just launched 16 minutes ago. So most likely people are investing on it. So let's look at this on a lower time frame so we see a little bit more of the structure that this is having. Let's put it on the 1 minute. Okay. So it's a little bit more clear. So if this every single candlestick it's worth 1 minute, then what happens is that this project started 17 minutes ago. It started right here, and we have a live feed here under transactions of all the transactions that are happening by the second, whether it's a buy or sell. Pretty cool, right? Because you now can see how much people are operating, trading, buying, selling, and you can also see more about who did it. You can even go and click the transaction details and go into the block explorer of Solana and look of what happened in the blockchain, this transaction, and you can see more in depth. Like this person, for example, bought for 0.02 Solanas, 24,710 Kabosus. So as this keeps going up, we can also observe about top traders, people who are trading this. And for example, this person bought at $479 and he sold it for $720. So he made $240 profit. And this just happened in probably the last 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, that quick, because this token just came out. And as soon as it comes out, it gets shown on DEX Screener. And we can have much more information about this. For example, we can go to the website. We can go to Twitter. It basically gives you more information about this project. It tells you about the liquidity, its current market cap. As of right now, this has $93,000 market cap, $13,000 locked liquidity. More information about the pairs right here. If I would like to see the official token in the Solana block explorer in SolScan, I can just click here. This is Kabosu. I'm going to click here EXP, explore, and this is the official token on SolScan, and this is the official website, and we can see more about this project. Anyways, so the next thing that I like to do here on DexScreener to see for this potential opportunities is I'd like to sort the new pairs that are trending. And that are trending for the past at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. And here we can see what projects are actually doing and performing. For example, right here, I can sort by volume, by transactions, by makers, which are users transacting on this specific token, and I can see how much it has increased in the past hour and also the past 24 hours. So let's sort by the past hour. And for example, this token right here, MOG on Sol, in the last hour has done 5,448%. So I'm going to click on it and see what's happening with this one. And as you can see, this token was released. Is very similar to the other one 17 minutes ago. And this is the website. And as you can see, there's silly projects that they're shitcoins, they're Memecoins. This most likely, all these projects are going to end up dying sooner or later. And usually they don't last more than 24 hours. And I'm being very generous on that. Most of the projects that have a real utility are going to be classified in a different spectrum, and you're going to see them here as well, because as this tracks every cryptocurrency, every token, whether it's a good one or bad one, it's going to be tracked. Right now it's tracking most of the bad ones, or the collections that, as you can see, they collapse, or there's a lot of scams, there's a lot of rug pulls, there's a lot of projects that the developers have not a good intention, and you have to be very, very careful, because that's how people get you into falling into scam or buying into a token and where you can't sell, or you have a tax, and when you sell you end up losing more money, or when you're trying to sell the liquidity is already gone and it's going to give you an error. So although you can see how all these people are making money, there's a lot of people as well that are losing money, and they do it because they don't know what to do. There's so many things that you have to put together in order to be successful at this. And knowing when to enter is one. So you need to know a little bit about a good understanding on trading. So if you have done trading before, you definitely have an edge over most of the regular user that comes in here, sees like a project like this, and thinks it's going to moon to, I don't know, maybe $1 a token, and their million tokens will become, $1, and they end up being rich. Most people think like that when they jump into these projects, but no. What I do is completely different, and I have a different approach and see when should I enter, or to evaluate really quickly if this project is going to be something that at least I can risk. I can risk my trade, or I can risk the money, because remember, every trade, comes with a risk, but at least I'm having more of the higher probabilities that this trade that I'm doing on this token, this investment that I'm going to be doing, it will have a much higher probability of working out. So I'm going to be making other videos into how these mechanisms or what indications I'm looking for before making any investments or before even, trying to put any money into it, and see if I should pass or if I should invest, and also what to do when you're in the trade, because you cannot just buy and hold forever, because most of the other people are going to sell and take advantage of it, and you're going to end up, with a dead token that is worth nothing. So stick around, subscribe to my channel, go to the description of the video, look for my social media, all my social accounts, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook. Follow me there, because I'm doing short videos about the strategies and what to look for when it comes to investing in shitcoins and meme coins, and how you can turn this into something very profitable if you master and follow some key indications, some key indicators, some key things that I see, not only on DexScreener, but on other tools that I use that will allow me to enter more confidently, and thus having a higher probability to have more success in this. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below. Give it a like, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Don't forget that knowledge is power, and you have to jump on the opportunities when they're hot, and this is the time. All right? I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching until here. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.